This Sunriver Realty property video is presented by Tia Orman. Don't miss your chance to call this lovely 3-bed 3.5-bath townhome, located in Sunriver's desirable Fremont Crossing, your new Central Oregon getaway. This Pacific Northwest designed home features quality finishes, open floor plan with 2 master suites, hardwood floors, gas-burning fireplace, patio, stainless steel appliances, hot tub and attached double garage. This beautifully landscaped enclave is located conveniently just steps away from grabbing a coffee or toasting an award-winning brew. Enjoy an easy stroll to eateries, shopping in the village or indulge the kids with water slides at the SHARC. Perfect for residents, rental and/or second home. Sunriver sits in the foothills of the Cascades, 15 miles to nearby Bend. Endless recreation awaits, championship golf courses, spa, skiing/ziplining at Mount Bachelor, horseback riding, biking, paddle boarding, whitewater rafting, 40 miles of biking trails, the list just goes on. Call to schedule a showing today 503-476-7050 for more information. Review